Merry Christmas! How's your day going so far?
Merry Christmas. It's been good, thanks. Just woke up a little earlier than usual because the kids were too excited. How about you?
Oh, I get that. I woke up early too, not by choice. My phone kept buzzing with holiday messages.
Yeah, that's the Christmas morning classic. Notifications blowing up. Did you do anything special already?
I started the day with some hot chocolate and opened a couple of gifts. Tried to keep things cozy.
That sounds nice. I made coffee, but I kind of burned the toast, so classic me.
Christmas toast disaster. Love it. So, what's your plan for the rest of the day?
Probably hanging out with family, maybe watching a Christmas movie later. Not sure which one yet. What about you?
I'm thinking of making a big lunch. Roast chicken, mashed potatoes, the whole thing. Then maybe I'll visit a friend. It's been a while.
That sounds really wholesome. Do you usually cook for Christmas?
Sometimes. Depends on my mood. This year I actually feel like doing something homemade.
Nice. I'm usually the designated dessert person. I brought cookies to my parents' place. They turned out, well, edible.
Hey, edible is a win. So, what kind of cookies?
Gingerbread, of course. But the decorations look like they were done by a confused toddler. My icing skills need serious improvement.
It's the thought that counts, right? And gingerbread is classic Christmas, so you're good.
True. Oh, speaking of classic, do you guys do anything traditional?
Not really, but we usually play board games in the evening. It turns into a competitive mess every time.
I love that. My family's tradition is everyone insisting they don't want to play games, then getting way too into them anyway.
Exactly. It's all, I'm not playing, and then suddenly they're yelling over points.
Yep. And someone always flips the rules booklet like it's the Constitution.
So true. Hey, do you have snow where you are?
Probably not. Sadly, it's cold but not snowy. I kind of miss that white Christmas vibe. You?
Same here. No snow, just chilly weather and cloudy skies. But hey, it still sets the mood.
Definitely. The lights in the neighborhood help a lot too. Did you decorate?
Yep, I finally put up a small tree. Took me forever to untangle the lights. I swear they tie themselves into knots.
That's a universal struggle. I almost gave up and bought new lights this year.
Honestly, I nearly did too, but once everything was up, it looked really nice.
Nice. I bet it feels cozy. Christmas lights just make everything better.
They do. So, are you exchanging gifts today or later?
Today, we're doing it after lunch. I'm a little nervous because I'm not sure if everyone will like their gifts. I always overthink it.
Oh, I'm sure they'll love them. You're a great gift giver.
I try. What about you? Did you get any interesting gifts yet?
Yeah, I got a cozy blanket and a book I've been wanting. Pretty happy about that.
Oh, that's perfect. Blanket plus book equals Christmas bliss.
Exactly. So, are you feeling the Christmas spirit this year?
More than I expected, honestly. I think slowing down a bit helped. How about you?
Same. I feel calmer than previous years. Maybe I'm finally learning to enjoy the little things.
That's a great Christmas lesson right there.
Maybe I should put it on a card.
You should.
Well, I hope the rest of your Christmas is wonderful.
Thanks. You too. Enjoy the cooking and the cozy vibes.
Will do. Merry Christmas again.
Merry Christmas.